The new Skoda Kodiaq looks like it'll become a firm family favorite with a roomy and clever interior, but there are cheaper 7-seaters around. Is the Skoda Kodiaq a good car? This is the all-new Skoda Kodiaq, the latest version of one of the Carwow team's all-time favorite family SUVs. The old car won hearts thanks to its spacious, clever interior, comfortable drive and good value price tag, and the new model continues that trend but with the added bonus of a posh interior and some really up-to-date engine options that earned it a highly commended award in the Family Values category of the 2025 Carwow Car of the Year awards. It's like when Lidl and Aldi progressed from simply being budget supermarkets to offering fancy wine and specially selected foodstuffs. You still get great value, but you don't necessarily feel like it's a bargain basement proposition. The Kodiaq is more of a 5+ 2-seater car, with seats 6 and 7 being better suited to occasional use or for children rather than full-sized adults. That makes it a natural alternative if you're in cars such as the Peugeot 5008, Land Rover Discovery Sport or Nissan X-Trail. The Kodiaq's design is instantly recognizable as a Skoda, and looks a lot like the old car simply went through a smoothing filter. It has sleeker headlights, a wider grille and a lower appearance, helped by the new Kodiaq being 6 centimeters longer than the car it replaces. Even base spec models look smart, but step up to higher trim levels and you get eye-catching 20-inch alloy wheels, contrasting body panels and even an LED strip running through the grille. Just because it's more stylish doesn't mean it's less practical, though. There's loads of space in the second row of seats with miles of headroom and legroom. And it's wide enough to fit 3 across the bench too, even if the middle seat is a bit of a narrow perch.